Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So currently we have only one setup on daily intraday basis, so here we can't consider yet the taking long position purely on the daily time frame, just because daily trend stands bearish and we do not have yet any significant bullish patterns and signs of the recovery. But with the watching on the intraday charts and with the pattern that we have here, theoretically, well, if you would like to, you could try to make the scalp long trade here, although it has few tricky moments. So first of all, if you remember, on weekend we said market has formed some bullish engulfing and it could lead to some minor bounce, but it is not sufficient to tell that daily chart is ready to recover, ready to show the reversal. To make this conclusion, we need some more valuable, something greater, some more extended pattern to be formed here, and preferably around the support area. So currently it's just minor thing, which is engulfing pattern. It might just reflect some short-term view on the markets, or some relief based on the recent information on Omicron, for example. As I said in today's video, in the euro currency market currently stands in indecision. So it's a bit confused because of two contradictory information. First, it was clear signal, clear command for panic within a couple of weeks previously, and it still lasts. But from the other side, the recent scientist statements concerning the Omicron, they tell that it's not as dangerous. It's actually some kind of the light type of the variant that even could become help, as it could provide the natural immunity to the people who will take it, because it's kind of the it comes in the same manner as a flu, sort of flu. So, and this confused market, so they already have been prepared for something really bad. Market starts to collapse, borders starts to close, so everything's getting bad. Be prepared for really another big problems, but currently it seems that maybe it's not yet so. And we have some here relief, but still I'm worried about the current situation, because, well, those who need this pandemic and those who have started to spread this news about Omicron, definitely hardly they will come down just and probably will invent something else. So anyway, on the gold market currently we could deal only with this pattern. The first tricky moment comes on interest rates, because if we'll take a look at the United States 10-year treasuries, you could see that they're also getting relief with the upward direction. And when the interests are rising, this makes some pressure on the gold price as well. Still, we have to acknowledge that here we still have the bearish dynamic, and this really very fast drop, which suggests that probably we could get even further downward action. That's potentially supportive to the gold. But right now, with the scalp trade, that will be some headwind for gold performance, definitely. It's rising in the interest rates. Otherwise, they will turn in opposite direction again. This is the first moment. And the second tricky moment that we already have mentioned, and stands on the fall time frame chart. In particular speaking, this is untouched COP target, which should be touched with this really strong bearish momentum. And actually here we have the rather strong acceleration. So in general, they are not contradicting to each other. So theoretically, market could show even deep retracement, forming guidance cheaper to sell here, right? And then to touch the COP. But still, it will work like the magnet and market will gravitate to it. So although based on the engulfing pattern, we could get the hand and shoulders with this 18 even target. Additionally, it might be the butterfly here, right? Until market stands below this top, it might be left wing, and it might start in the right wing with the moving down. This is the major tricky moment. So that was about the negative signs of this setup. But at the same time, it has the positive stuff, the positive moments as well. So, first of all, we have engulfing on the daily. Second, take a look here. Market has formed minor bullish reversal candle, which provides you great assistance, since you do not need to hide your stops too far. It will be enough to place it just below its recent lows. It's very small risk, so if you would like to take it, this will be very small risk to you. And that's a really big advantage. So if market will succeed, your risk-reward ratio will be just great. If not, well, your loss will be very small. And you will know in advance that market is going further. Maybe here it will make sense even to reverse position once market will break it down and start moving down. So it means that the butterfly might be formed, and market will drop to the 1755. So you understand these lows plays very important role currently, and it could tell you either market is going higher while the market stands above this, or it's going lower if market will break it to the downside. So this is in the two ways how you could use the loss. So if you would like to go short, you could keep an eye on breakout of this level. If you're going long, that's the area where you could hide your stop. So that's potentially what we could consider currently on the gold. If even we will not get the upward ABCD to the 18 even, that also could happen, but at least maybe on hourly chart we could get the butterfly. So market could try to reach near around 1795, completing this butterfly is moving to just 1618 extension. And from that standpoint, these lows are also vital to the butterfly. So that's actually the only thing that we could discuss currently on the gold, because performance, as you can see, not very fast. And actually, market just has the single patch for discussion.